Okay, I want to talk about Bitcoin. A lot of people don't understand Bitcoin, but I'm going to attempt to explain it so that you guys can get it. It seems that some people that are 60s, 70s, 80s, they don't quite understand what's going on with Bitcoin. So I'm going to break this down. In the description, you can find a link to go and buy you some Bitcoin. I recommend $50 at the minimum, $5 if you can't come up with $50, but any kind of investment will make you a lot of money. All right, so Bitcoin, just like your dollar that you have in your pocket, that's called currency. Okay, somewhere down the line, someone told you that the dollar was worth 4 quarters. Someone told you that it was worth 10 dimes. Someone told you that it was worth 100 pennies. All right, now you're able to go to any store, purchase something with your purchasing power, and you can buy something from that person's store, and he will exchange for the dollar that you have in your pocket as some type of value that he agreed that it has value. Okay, all right, well, Bitcoin was developed because someone said, wait a minute, the government is taking most of my money in all of these made-up taxes. And not only are they taking it, they're taking the money and they're exploiting it and not even doing anything with the money. You have potholes in the roads. You have, it looks like a third world country. All right, here in America is where I'm at. All right, so they said, well, we don't want you in our pocket. We don't want you extorting us. We don't want you trying to take money from us everywhere we go. So I'm developing a currency, a digital currency on the internet, and I'm also going to develop another technology called blockchain. So when they do make these different transactions, it will be secured, and you can't steal money from this blockchain. All right, this coin, this digital currency. Okay, so the best thing about Bitcoin, you can also use it as an investment if you do it correctly. Meaning, the Bitcoin can go up in value. All right, and not just a regular value. It shoots clean out the roof. All right, for an example, I put $1,000 in there, and in return it brought me 25,000. all right, tuck some money out, I left some in there. It went all the way back up to like another 12,000. I took some money out, I left a little money in there, like 500. It went all the way up to like 4 grand. All right, so Bitcoin is like the gold rush. You can go, all right, like in California, they were looking to make a wealth, and they went to California to strike gold. Well, Bitcoin is your gold rush today, if you know what you're looking for, if you know what you're doing. Okay, it is easily to get to build you wealth. All right, now, but you have to know three components to investing. All right, one component is you need to understand whatever it is you're investing. You don't just take your money and you throw it into any investment, because not all investments are honest, or they're not real business. They're pranksters out here. You have people that want to prank you or scam you.